Hi everyone, this is Doğukan from Speckle. Today we are diving into the next-gen Tekla connector, which makes the Tekla data available for you across your entire workflow. Today I'm going to talk about how to install the next-gen Tekla connector and how to publish your model to Speckle. And I created a simple Power BI dashboard. I will show it to you and we will talk about the known limitations a bit. So let's get started. First, to install the next-gen Tekla connector, you can easily go to the releases.speckle.systems/version3, and if you scroll down to the Tekla Structures and select the latest version, you can download the installer. If you run this exe file, Tekla Structures will install Speckle connector as a plugin. Since I already did that, I'm going to skip this step for now. But most probably you will have to restart your Tekla Structures to be able to see the Speckle connector. So I'll open my Tekla. Here is the simple still structure. And now I'll open the Applications and Components toolbar and search for Speckle. If you click on the plugin, and here we go. This is your next-gen Tekla connector. To publish your model to Speckle, just click on Publish. Create a new project. Let's call this project as models. And then you can create a new model. Let's call it Tekla 2024 and click create. Nice. Now I can select the objects that I wanted to publish and I'll select all of them for this demo and click publish. The conversion process has been started and the new version is created. So I'll go to my Speckle web app and here you go. This is your Tekla model inside Speckle Viva. What I can do with this data I extracted, first I can go to the Scene Explorer and take a look at the collections, and I can filter my Viva. For example, if I just want to see the beams, I can see the beams like this, or I don't want to see the grids anymore, I can click on this and I can reset the filters that I set. And if you would like to get some insights from the objects that you sent, for example, select this column. And in the right hand side, you can see the profile name, material grade, type units, and so on. Also, we attach the report properties, the properties you use in Tekla when you create a report, like area, weight, length, and phase. And you can get some insights from the objects using these report properties. So basically, what can I do with this data I extracted? As I said, I created this simple Power BI dashboard. I assigned some objects to phases. For example, the foundations is phase 1 and the roof is phase 4. And using Speckle data, I created these charts for weight by phase. For example, the phase 1 here is the foundations and I can see the weight, and phase 2, this is phase 3, and this is phase 4. So what I did basically is I created a meaningful report using the power of data extraction of Speckle. So at the moment, our connector is just send only. We are still working on the receive functions. And according to your feedback, we are going to make it better every day. That's all from my side. If you have any questions or any feature requests, just go to Speckle community and write to us. Thanks for watching.